How to retweet a post on Twitter on Android. This tutorial shows you how to share someone's tweet quickly and easily. First, open the X app on your Android device. After that, scroll through your feed and find the tweet you want to retweet. Let me show you. At this point, tap on the retweet icon below the tweet. It looks like two arrows forming a loop. In the next step, a pop-up will appear with two options, repost and quote. Tap on repost to share the tweet directly without adding any comment. Following this, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on repost again to confirm, and the tweet will be shared to your followers instantly. Once done, the repost icon on that post will now appear highlighted, confirming that you've successfully retweeted it. From here, if you want to add your own comment or thoughts when sharing, tap on quote instead of retweet. Let me show you. At this stage, a compose screen will open with the original tweet embedded at the bottom. Type your comment in the text field above it. Following this, tap on repost to share the quote tweet with your comment included. Finally, keep in mind that retweeting a post shares it with all your followers. So always make sure you've read the full tweet before retweeting to avoid sharing anything misleading or out of context. And that's it. If this guide helped you retweet a post on Twitter, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.